Hello and welcome. My name is Jake Moore. I'm the director of the University Art Galleries and Collection here at the University of Saskatchewan. Right now, we're in the foyer of the Gordon Snellgrove Gallery. We're about to install the eighth moon, Paskaha Wewipisim, or the egg-laying moon. The University of Saskatchewan is located on Treaty 6 territory, so we'd like to acknowledge the presence of ourselves here and express our gratitude to the original keepers of this land and whose territory that we occupy at this moment. So the Dakota, the Nakota, Lakota, Dene, Sota, the Nehiyaw, and the Métis. This is the homeland of the Métis Nation. It's a gray day, but we're glad that it's here because the rain has come and we're ready for the eggs to be laid. The leaves are budding and we're ready to go. I know you will receive a message from Evelyn and Florence again today. Before I go, I'd like to introduce you to ISAP STEM team lead, Sandy Bonney.
Hello, my name is Sandy Bonney and I work with Indigenous Student Achievement Pathways, ISAP, in the College of Arts and Science. And it's my pleasure today, during the egg-laying moon, to introduce a message from Deneh'Cho Thompson. Deneh'Cho is a Dene director, actor, and playwright, and member of the Pedzaki Nation. He holds an MFA in Indigenous Theatre from the University of Alberta and began a position as assistant professor in the Department of Drama in January 2020, taking on leadership of the Wichitiwan Theatre program from founder and emeritus Professor Carol Greyeyes. Deneh'Cho also joined ISAP this past remote year as instructor of our first ever remote offering of Drama 118. We're looking forward to having him continue to work with ISAP students in the coming years in person, but I've got to say his remote theatrical teaching skills are inspiring, and we're so glad to have him on the team. Deneh'Cho's research focuses on the development, naming, and centering of Indigenous acting, pedagogy, and dramaturgies, and this work is an extension of his MFA research and is continuous. He's also engaged in the restoring of personal family archives, focusing on healing, resilience, and Indigenous story work as a path toward the creation of new works in theatre. And we're so excited to see those new works arise and come to our community.